Okay, let's get it, y'all. She called 911, and the cop she was cheating with showed up to the call. This is insane. Let's get it, y'all.
All right, what's going on? All right, come on.
This her?
What's going on? What's going on?
Just got my phone. I need my phone.
Okay. Do you have any, outside of course, my side of devices, do you have any other way of contacting it right now?
So contacting him?
Contacting your phone, like being able to call it.
No, I
If you don't, okay. Well, I'll get my phone and whatnot. So you just want your phone back? Okay. Okay. And then I already talked to him earlier. He stated some other stuff. Most of that is civil and whatnot. So look,
I know, but
most of that is civil. So regarding vehicles and whatnot, I'll explain that to him in front of you, also in front of him. Keys, I understand, you know, of course, last time we talked, you did try to get yourself off the lease and whatnot. So if that is indeed true, and he's the only one on the lease, you can't
he
keep
never
his keys.
did it. He never released me.
No, I know. I'm saying, just
I know. I get
saying.
it.
So if that is the case, you can't take the key. From what he told me,
He
that you have the
two
keys.
It's a set of keys.
Okay.
He
Okay.
has one, and his is in the house.
Okay.
He just couldn't get in because I locked it. He left before I did, and I locked it.
Okay. So we'll all have that conversation. If you can go up there and just ask him to politely come out. If not, sit here and then I'll go up there and ask him to come out. Because we don't need no fights or nothing. Can you stay at the base of the stairs? You able to come down here so we can talk? Hey, doggy. How old is he?
Hey, doggy.
One. All right. So, we'll stay in the shade because we ain't about to be standing out no heat.
Rocco.
She's over there and whatnot. She's called about a cell phone. I already know you spoke to me earlier about the keys and whatnot. So I already kind of explained that to her. But I told her I want to say it also in front of you, so she understands that what is going on.
Charge, but she just hit me in the lip. Rocco.
She hit you in the lip.
Yeah, look.
Okay.
I ain't touch her at all. She can tell you that. Rocco.
Press them charges, young brother.
Get your ass go. Go. Go.
If it was him, she would definitely. He ain't got no control over that dog.
Oh.
If it's a pit bull, I ain't gonna. Well, if it's a pit bull, they hard headed, so I get it. He probably like put my foot up. I'm just saying.
I just had to break into my house.
You got your ID?
Yeah.
Are you able to get that real quick?
What you need it for?
I mean, if you wanted to pursue charges and do a report, I would have to use it so I could put it in the system on that.
I already learned my lesson first. I ain't doing this shit again.
What do you mean?
I ain't in fucking jail, bro.
Let me get the little piece of left the piece of paper. I'm just gonna write down your number on it. Alright.
Come out.
What's a good phone number for you?
Can we go over there and talk?
What's a good phone number for you? We'll move over there.
The dog.
But what's a good phone number?
Come on.
What's a good phone number, sir? What's a good phone number,
Didn't
sir?
you put the dog? Didn't you tell the dog to go up? How the fuck the dog to come back down?
All right, look.
Oh, he talking to her.
Look. All right,
Where the
look.
fuck the nigga my PC?
All right. You here? You stand over here. All right, we're not standing close to each other again.
Okay, but I just want all my
Look.
stuff.
You told me nut in your mouth and everything.
Look.
I just want my stuff.
Man, this whole hell, bro.
You
Look.
ripped my lashes
Yeah.
out.
What's your phone number?
She know my phone number.
Can you-
That's crazy, bro. You
Yeah.
nasty. You fucking both of us unprotected, bro.
Look.
I
I
heard.
Call the
need your
cops.
phone number
No.
for the report.
Sir, you called the cops.
4-4.
He being
Four.
petty right now.
661. I ain't.
661.
I can show the videos again.
You got my fan.
What's the?
Show the videos.
Okay, so regardless,
Stop playing.
of whatever that is,
I'm not worried about that. I just want my
so
phone.
you want a
know,
phone?
bro.
And my fan. He
This is
can
my
take
fan. Cut it out, bro.
I can call my
Okay.
sister
Cut
right
out.
now. Move, Rocco.
Jump on her, Rocco.
I'm gonna beat the shit out of
There you
this
go,
dog.
bro.
I swear to God.
Get
All
her.
right.
Yo
What I'll
said
do
jump
is
on a
I'll
Rocco.
call Phone rings.
It's not gonna
Please
rain.
give the phone
You
back
put
to her.
it
All right.
silent.
That is her property.
I've been
Same thing
calling
with
all since he took it.
Look at this shit. Look at this shit.
What are you showing?
Oh, this
Yeah.
is 44.
Look at this shit.
All right.
You probably got them too, don't you?
No.
Yeah, I know.
Exactly. Don't.
Did too.
You're a weirdo.
Yeah, shut up. You a weirdo. I need you out my house. And can I get my keys, please? Oh, well, I told my car in the morning. Yeah, get my keys.
Are you talking about car keys or talking about house keys?
The
Both.
house keys, we get a set. He
Look,
has
that's
his,
my
and
Hyundai
this
key.
is my key.
Okay,
Drive your
so
Nissan, bro. Get my shit.
And once I get my phone, I can show you that I'm still on this lease, which is why I still possess the key and my
Okay.
keys are still in the apartment.
I'm gonna explain all that. All right.
Come here, boy.
So
Get on me.
the fact that she's saying that she's still on the lease, you're saying that she's not. That's civil. I would say just go to the cat master court. I'll give you information and whatnot. Same with you. You can file for
Walk you
eviction.
through it.
But you'll file.
He gonna walk you through it.
Look, you can file for eviction.
This your man, ain't it?
I'm grown.
Look, can we be professional here?
This your
That's
man,
what
ain't
Can we
it?
be
So
professional?
hold up, wait a minute, hold up, wait. So when did he figure it out? When did he figure out that the cop was the one she was cheating with? Like he just, how's he cool? How you even cool standing here? Why wouldn't you even call back 911 and say, yo, bring me a sergeant or something like that, or the case may be, because this is a conflict of interest. Like,
You grown?
Sir,
It's not grown. You got there and have
Sir.
my baby and shit and fucking
Sir.
everybody
That's
else,
your
bro.
baby.
sir, can I please explain to you
she pregnant.
the eviction thing?
You're weird.
So,
You weird.
the eviction, you go
Well,
up to the
I'm
cat
gonna
master
talk to
court.
Trauma tomorrow. I ain't worried about nothing.
You go to the cat master court.
Get my key to my car, bro. I know how it
And
goes, bro.
same
I'm telling
with that.
you. I know how it
yeah.
goes.
She's saying that it's hers. You're saying that it's yours.
She
Cat
can't come
master
in this
court.
house. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
I don't give a fuck. I want to
Yeah, you got somewhere to go, though.
get my shit.
You got somewhere to go, though.
Well, let me get my stuff out of there and stop being childish. And I would be more than happy.
Rocco.
It's not a
So
Good
do he know right now?
Okay, so like I said, the cat master
Sit down
court.
somewhere. Sit.
If you want to file for eviction, you do that, and also you get civilly with the whole vehicle thing. You just go up there, let them know that as well. Show documentation,
yeah.
prove.
I just want you to watch yourself, bro. 'Cause
Okay.
she fucking unprotected. Ain't no telling who else nigga she fucking got.
Okay.
Between us.
Like,
But you fuck both of us unprotected, oh.
look, I could care less
Yo,
about.
how is he so calm? How is this even happen? Why is the police even still here? Why would he even, how did he even show up to this call? Why did he show up to this call? Why did he stay on the call? Why didn't you call another officer to take the report? Like, what the fuck? What?
Look,
You're not even, you don't even have no morals. You literally standing in front of the man of the woman that you're sleeping with, that she's cheating on you with.
Oh, expose me, please.
look, I could care less about outside stuff. We're talking about what
Yeah, I
what
should've
was
fucked
called.
that hoe, too.
You
Look,
fuck this skinny bitch and thought
Look,
she was
we-
wrong for
look,
me.
Both of y'all.
all right,
Weird.
all right.
All y'all
I really
listen.
do not want to raise my voice.
For all y'all
Can we
listeners.
please?
Look, she gonna listen to that.
Can we please? Can we please?
Very
She
immature.
gonna listen to Big
Look,
Daddy.
can we?
I don't want to talk. Come on, Rocco.
So you don't.
I still file a report,
He
though.
have my phone.
So you want to file a report?
Yeah, most
No,
definitely.
he have my phone. He not
Yeah,
just about
so-
to walk
Getting
away with
abused
my
and everything.
fucking
No,
phone.
he's
Yeah,
not.
that's all I did. I bought you your
Just-
shit because you ripped my fucking leg.
And you should have locked up right then and there.
So look,
And fuck you too. Here's my phone. I just want my phone.
She just admitted to it. She just admitted to it in front of a Leo. You literally just admitted to that in front of a Leo, and he did not put you in cuffs because he fucking you.
That's it. Now go.
Crazy.
I ain't got no phone.
so sir,
Let me go in here and start touching shit, man. I ain't see my shit. I'm about to fuck some shit up in here.
like I said,
I got button money.
like I said,
How was he letting her go up
like I
there?
said, you can't force her out of the place legally if she's stating that she lives here, and there has been evidence that she does live here.
No.
You're telling me you allowing this girl to go back into the house? No police would allow you to do that. They would keep y'all separated. You would have been called another officer if you wasn't out here sleeping with this woman. You giving her hella leeway. She done told you she abused this man in front of you and you still ain't put the cuffs on her and you would allow her to do more shit.
But can we just get the phone? Hey,
Sorry,
stop.
Ma,
She just hit me. She just hit me, bro. What the fuck?
Yo, he kind of.
Stop.
Get her, bro.
Hey.
Get up. Let me stop.
Go.
Get both of them. Get both of their ass. Rocco should have got both of them. Keep Rocco out.
Urben Currse.
Fuck. Rocco sends all that bull crap on him.
Look. Bleached all my clothes, y'all.
So do he know?
Hey.
So he got his story out. What am I supposed to do about my phone? Because I need my phone. I have
That's
no child.
so-
I have work.
Okay.
And he got more stuff in his head right now being petty.
This
I
mine.
will call again.
This mine. Call it, call
It's
it.
going to be on silent. He's not going to have it on ring aloud.
Call it.
Just walk around. I'll call. All right.
Exactly.
No.
Call it. Stop touching my stuff, bro.
It might be in your
Stop
shit.
touching.
Hey, look, stop.
Come on, bro. This would never happen.
I don't know if my phone is
Hey,
your
look.
stuff.
Let me call.
None of my stuff.
Let me call first. So then.
I should
Get
sit
out.
in the car.
Get out.
I should sit in the car. And that's y'all. That's my shit.
Hey, when a dog start barking like that, just know that dog is ready to attack.
Can you,
This is my fan, you tripping. You know I be outside on the yard. You know that.
Hey, broke ass.
Yeah.
hey. All
You
right.
done broke my Wi-Fi out, bro. You gotta get her out of here, bro. I'm
Exactly. You have to get her out of
there.
there.
Damage my TV and stuff, bro.
You have to. There's no way she should still be in there. There's no way. There's no way you should not have called
Yeah.
back up.
You'll be alright. You'll be
All
alright.
right. Look.
You'll be alright. Skedaddle.
Look.
Skedaddle.
Can he get away?
You want
He's
to-
being
look,
petty.
look,
You being
just
petty.
stand over here.
He's
Stand over
provoking
here.
right
Look.
now.
I can provoke all
How's he provoking?
You can
Look,
provoke all
no, you
you
can't.
want.
Look, just you chill right here.
Make it make sense.
Can you please look for your phone?
Don't look for your phone, man.
It's on silent. I'm not gonna find it. I tried locating it on Find My. He turned that shit off. I don't know how.
You probably turned the phone off. That's why.
Okay, but that's what I'm saying. How am I gonna find it if it's turned off?
Then leave. Then leave. You can't find it. Then leave.
Just,
You have no reason to be there at the
Problem.
point.
Yeah, tell him pull up, bro.
He got my.
Tell him pull up, bro.
I got messages to
I need my keys, too.
Look at this shit, bitch.
What you got to do?
Like I said, with the key thing, she's stating.
I'm just finna go to my mama's house, bro. I'm finna go to my mama's house.
621, Officer Patterson.
I'm not.
It's been how long we've been watching? I've been watching this, and he just getting on the radio.
Ten four.
Drive your car. Drive that regular motherfucker. Drive that regular motherfucker.
It'll be 2004 or something with
They both doing too much. Childish,
About to chill, bro.
immature,
Just 1 second.
immature. This is all immaturity.
Look,
There's no way you, as a man, you should be acting like this.
just 1 second till the other officer gets here.
Alright. I hope you got that all she attacking me and shit. No favoritism now.
It's definitely favoritism.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm trying to sit here and
I
do.
didn't punch
100,
you,
gang.
bitch. I
Look.
punched
You just punched me in the door.
Look, can y'all please stop talking to each other? Can y'all please stop talking to each other? Can y'all please stop talking to each
What
other?
should he say? Bad, man.
This is why you call backup so they could put her one place and put him one place,
Hope you don't leave that
and
on the
that's
door,
it.
bro. That's why she don't be around. That shit there.
I'm not even a cop, and I know that. That's de-escalating. You're not de-escalating whatsoever. You have no reason to be there. You're sleeping with the man's woman, and you're the cop coming to their domestic call.
I ain't going nowhere.
Insane. Okay, now what he gonna say to her? I'm so curious. Ooh, this is what he gonna say to her.
Look, please, just don't touch or break anything in here. All right. I was making sure that he ain't about to run off.
Run off to go where? He called you.
Why she want you to go over there with you? God damn. I'm great, bro. Life still goes on, man. Just know, 11 years strong. Well, fake strong.
That's a long ass time.
Over his house, bro.
So,
You know that. Oh, you right.
It's my Wi-Fi.
No, you trying to do that because
It's my Wi-Fi.
That's the proof right here.
I got messages too.
Here's the proof right here. You have my
Go ahead.
Here's the proof right here.
Get out my house, bro.
I will, bitch, when you
Hey,
can
you
afford
go
it.
to his house. Go to his house.
When I
Go to his house. Go to his house. Go to his house.
We're not gonna argue back and forth.
I can't wait.
We're not doing this for disorderly stuff, all right?
I don't care who you see.
Trump will know what's going on. I document everything.
And so do I, bitch.
Look.
this is so unruly. This is so unruly. And it's because of the cop.
That's my stuff.
He holds no authority.
I'm a new dog on some hang shit.
Look.
Who hating? You didn't look at my lashes right now.
You
He yanked a whole half of
He
my
can buy you
lashes
some
out.
more, honey.
What the fuck?
He
No,
gonna
you
buy
bought
you some more.
bitch.
Let's
You
go
did
get a
it.
cat,
You
Look.
did it. The fuck?
Look.
I ain't fucking with you.
We ain't worrying
You
about.
don't fuck with me. That's fine.
Yeah,
It's your daughter
okay.
goodbye too. You're not about to see my daughter eat
Look,
disrespect with
all
me.
the shit she can tell you, she do the same shit with me, gang. I promise you.
Okay.
I promise you.
Okay.
Let me.
I'm gonna tell you some real shit. Homeboy is fairly warning the cop about who this woman is. And if he continues to see this woman after the fact, after seeing how she acts with the dude that she's been with for 11 years, you're a fucking idiot. You're a complete idiot for being there right now, point blank. But you're gonna be even more of a freaking idiot if you're gonna take her serious after you see how she's treating homeboy. And he's telling you this on purpose. He's so calm. Yo, when a dude get this calm, especially about cheating allegations, he's fed up. He's to the point where he's just like, yo, take her. He's literally like, yo, please take her. But when you do, I'm just fair warning you. I'm giving you my sloppy seconds. Just know it is sloppy.
You're a weirdo, bro.
You the weirdo.
You told me none on the face and everything. Remember?
Don't walk.
Now I'm saying, I know you be kissing her.
Stand by me.
She kisses his dick. Come on, let him come all up here. I ain't even tripping, man. I don't know
Yo,
if
this
you
is
got
weird.
You want what?
Do you keep assaulting?
Yeah, whatever. I don't care. I got some money. And you
Go ahead, go on back in there,
You
then.
assault me just as well.
Go ahead, back in there.
You assault me just as well.
Go on back in
Because I
there.
be catching your ass.
Get your proof. Where your proof at?
It's right here.
Where your proof of me hitting you, though? Yeah, we got all
Ain't
these
no
fucking
proof.
roaches 'cause she
Ain't
bought
no
all that
proof.
shit when I'm on my-
No, you got dog food that's fucking open, you
brought all
dumb
this
bitch.
shit
You let the
on.
dog
Look,
fucking
I don't
spill
care
that
about the
shit
roaches.
everywhere.
I don't care about the
You
dog
let the
food.
dog spill that shit everywhere. That's why we got
Okay, yeah, see her messages. Go ahead. I know you want to see her through, dog.
No, everything you said too. How you
Dio said, I know you want to see her
I don't
through.
care about that.
Oh, you don't care
I can
about
talk,
you
but I ain't
should.
did it, though.
It don't matter. That's a threat.
I can talk, but I ain't did it, though. You know I ain't did it. Come
It's
on.
gonna cut off. It's dead. You gotta fuck this up.
Okay.
And what are we looking at here?
You can talk all you want.
Fuck it up.
Oh, let me show y'all messages, too.
He said, let me show y'all
Messages. What the fuck? This is the ultimate petty. Hey, if I don't give a fuck was a person, we thought Mario didn't care. Nah, homeboy don't give two shits.
Please tell me this is another cop. Please tell me. Please tell me that this is another cop, man. Because they need help.
What's up, bro?
What's happening?
We having this because we all in the triangle. She having sex with both of us.
No. Not true. She had my phone.
Look, I can explain.
Look, she having sex with both of us.
I'm not talking about both of y'all.
I want my phone.
Yeah, let him talk. Let him explain, bro. This all because of him, cuz. 100, bro. Look, and I've been assaulted. I'm gonna be 100 with you. Don't pop y'all shit.
I'll be 100.
Go ahead.
I sure did.
No, be 100. Y'all talk, right? Oh my Jesus.
So what's going on?
So pretty much, I get a random call from her. So I'm thinking, all right, cool. He said, hey, what's up? I say, hey, what's up? So look,
Stay in there. Stay in there. Go separate room. Stay in there. Stay in there.
Okay, if he hit me, I'm gonna kill him. That's all I'm gonna say.
So she called him?
Ain't no motherfucking way. So it wasn't even a 911 call? She called him to come and rectify? You got to... Nah, he should be fired. He should be fired today. There's no way that he came on a personal call
To deal with the chick that he did. Yo, there's no way. There's no way.
so
And she got a gun, too.
I already got his information.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm gonna try. Look, I mean, you live like
Go downstairs real quick.
Exactly. Get your mototherfucking ass out of here.
Like I said, I'm saying both sides, all right?
Get your stupid ass out of here.
So,
Go downstairs.
so pretty much, you know, he answers. Well, I
Oh,
answered
see,
the
I'm
phone.
thinking he telling the cop to go downstairs.
Go downstairs.
No, this is before the 911.
Go downstairs, dog. Go downstairs.
Nah, yeah, y'all tripping.
grown man, bro.
Yeah, yo, y'all tripping. Y'all tripping. Y'all
Stop
tripping.
talking.
Call the supervisor. Call the supervisor right now. Get me your sergeant, your supervisor, whoever's your superior. Get him down here now. This is a difficult case. This ain't no regular case right here. You talking about a cop that was called on a personal call to come to his side. To come to the chick that he busting down, who he happened to be the side dude, and come to confront the main dude at his house, and y'all treating him like yo. This is some bullshit. I see you. Yo, I'm not even gonna say it.
Look, ma'am.
Not even gonna say it. Not even gonna say it. I don't need to be.
So, long story short. So, he answered. Well, I answered the phone. His face is there. He says, "Yo, what's up?" I say, "Yo, what's up?" I'm just like, okay, well, you know, he has his phone. All right, whoop you. I don't care. Then he shows her who's laying in the bed next to him. They're both naked. So I'm just like, okay, damn. And he's like, you know, oh yeah, we just got done having sex. So I was like, okay. And then hung up the phone because she went to grab her phone and he, was just in his hand. And that's when I hung up. So then later on, I see as I'm heading, because I was about to go into Peachtree Creek, I see that he's pulling out of my apartment complex. So he was like, he flagged me down. And I was like, all right, hey, what's up? He was like, hey, can we talk? I'm like, all right, cool, yeah, we can talk. And I was like, do you mind moving back into the apartment complex so we're not blocking the roadway? He says, nah, I don't feel comfortable doing that. And I was like, all right, well, do you mind moving over into the next parking lot? We can talk there. Okay. All right, cool. We do that. We talk. He told me this, down and forth, and I told him, I said, hey, look, what she told me, this is what she said, so on and so forth.
And what was that?
Blah, blah, blah. I'm not mad. And then I try to explain some things to him. I'm like, look, it looked like she wants a polyatomic relationship because it seems like she wants someone who is the main guy and then wants to also be with other people.
All right, so what's the issue here, though?
Basically, then now we get the 911 call where she calls. And she's stating that he has her phone and things like one other item.
But how the hell did you get the call? How did it happen to be that you got the actual call? It's so many police in that area, I'm sure. So how did you get the fucking call? You came over there on some personal shit. There's no way.
So then, talking to him, he was saying that, oh, she assaulted me. That's what he has to bruise on his lip. And he was like, I want to report for this. I'm like, all right, cool. Can I get your information? And he says, pretty much, he hit her. She hit him in the face.
That's what she said?
That's what he said.
Okay.
And then she stated that he grabbed her, by the head and pulled her lashes off.
Okay.
And pull her lashes off?
No.
You look at her.
What did you say?
Kind of a back and forth thing.
No.
You look at her, you see her lashes off. And you look at him, you see that he does have a bruise on his lip.
Okay.
And yeah, I've been trying to get past that, and can't get past that. I'm trying to can't reach
You
her
ain't get
phone,
past you ain't be getting past a motherfucking thing. You a liar. You a simple liar. You a liar and should be fired.
My personal phone, no answer. She's stating that he most likely turned the phone off. So
I know y'all believe
he's saying that
what
he
he-
doesn't have the phone. So I'm like, let's just find the phone.
Search
He's
car, search
stating,
everything y'all need.
he's
to
stating that she has the keys to the house. She says the other key, which is his key, is already in the house.
And my car keys in my car.
The whole car
I got title and
situation,
everything.
I already
In my
explained to him
name.
that part's.
Do you need to be here?
Technically, I don't. I was.
That's his girlfriend.
All right, come back here. See.
That's his girlfriend.
You got his ID?
Yeah, I got his ID.
Give me his ID.
I like the boyfriend. I ain't gonna lie.
Like,
It's
all right.
weird, ain't it?
He
It's weird as hell.
Once he was like, I want to press charges or whatever. That's what you said, right?
Yeah, I do want to press
So
charges.
that's when I said,
I'll take care of it. Give me the ID and I'll take care of the rest.
And that's why I was like, I'm gonna let you know.
Yeah.
You just got out for this shit. He know.
Do you have her phone?
No.
He says no. She says.
87 in the 40s. The rest are screening.
Whose phone did he call you from? His?
She called from, I'm assuming, her sister's phone.
What phone was he using?
He never called.
Oh, so
He
she
just flagged me down. And so he had where's the purple iPhone that you had? It was like a purple.
Wait, go back. Go back. Go back.
What phone was he using?
He never called.
Oh, so
he
she
just flagged me down.
So that means he was in the fucking. Let me not curse. He was in the area the entire time. For him to flag him down, he was in the area for sure. He wasn't just, you don't randomly just see him, the guy that's sleeping with your woman just out of nowhere, unless that's the neighborhood he's always in. And then that's how she met him type of shit, which probably that's what it is, because he don't look like he's out of jurisdiction nowhere, because if that was the case, I'm sure they would have said something about that, maybe. But the other cop, you could tell that's his homeboy. You could tell that's his homeboy. And he know. The other cop know for a fact exactly what's going on. He know what's going on.
But yeah, where's the purple iPhone that you had? It was like a purple that. He flagged me down using that.
All right, you can go back to Peter.
That's pretty much where I've been.
You got information too?
No.
Not date of birth, but her first name is Daisha, D-A,
Wakefield.
I'll get it.
last name Wingfield.
I'll get it.
That's kid on you good.
But you are here on a 911 call, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
Okay.
Earlier, he just flagged me down.
Okay.
That's how the hell he responded to that call? That's crazy, right?
Exactly.
We 100.
Spencer, you can go. Spencer, you can go.
Can I come up and talk?
Yeah.
That's crazy. How he called 911, he responded. That's
Exactly.
weird, right?
So what happened with her? Not talking about with him. What happened with her?
Well, okay. We was laying down, you know, doing that thing. Woo. Then a phone rang, so I picked it up. It was him.
Okay.
And that's how we got the argument.
Oh, so
She snatched her
see, the cop lied. From what I remember, the cop saying that that the boyfriend called him. That's what he said. Not that he called the girl and then that they was just doing whatever and then he answered the phone. That's not what the cop said, right? Am I lying?
phone out my hand and punched me in the face. And I left and that was it. And I'm trying to figure out what they got going. You know, I got messages and everything between these two. I got locked up the first time between this shit, bro. But they backstage it. Trauma knows what's going on. They backstage it and everything, bro.
So what happened today?
Today, same thing. She got mad. She got mad because her phone ringing. Ain't gonna say her phone ringing. I had it. She let me see the phone. It ringing. It was him, so.
Okay, and you answered the phone?
Yeah. And I said, damn. Cause we talk like man to man. Let me get over this shit. Oh, I ain't doing that no more. Cause she supposed to be pregnant or whatever and all this shit. So I'm feeling sorry. Let her see my car and everything. Her car down.
Do you live here?
Yeah, most definitely. My name on the lease.
Most
I'm
definitely.
the perimeter owner.
Primary.
So you live here with her?
Head of house.
She doesn't live here?
She don't be here.
Does she live here?
She stay here and there. She be at his house majority of the time.
But does she live here?
And she damaged all my stuff, bro.
Yo, I think he was being petty on that one.
Killing me, bro.
He stayed at her house majority of the time. I mean, his house. No, he was. Oh,
going
look,
on?
boyfriend was definitely being petty.
Ma'am? What's up?
And how are they allowing this girl to stay in the house the whole time? Yo, it's so crazy how these police be so fucking biased, yo. It's insane, bro.
What's going on?
He got upset because I was texting the other guys, which was already established that we weren't together. We weren't going to make anything work. But once he saw that, he woke me up out of my sleep. Like, oh, you doing X, Y, Z, da, 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 da. He took my phone. That's the main reason why we're here. I don't have my phone. He cut it off, so I couldn't check it on Find My. But I do have messages from him stating he's not going to give it back. So I just want my phone. I would definitely.
How'd you get those messages?
I've been texting him off my MacBook. I went to my sister's house for Wi-Fi.
How long you been gone?
I want to say I was over there for about 45 minutes trying to get in contact with him.
So when did the argument start?
I want to say around 2 o'clock.
She not even worth it, bro.
And I wish I had my sister's phone with me, but I called him from my sister's phone, my mom's phone,
How long your phone been gone?
since 2 o'clock. I even went to T-Mobile. This is the number they gave me. I do have insurance on it, but I want my phone now. Like, I
How
have
did
work.
when would he take your, like, how did he take your phone? You guys lay in the bed together, right?
No.
When?
Once he woke me up, he did throw it back at me, and when I was leaving, getting in the car, he said, give me my keys back, which he was talking about the car.
Were y'all ever laying in bed together today?
At some point, yes.
What time?
About 1.
1 o'clock. And so, did Spencer call you?
No.
You called him?
He called him.
Okay.
Okay, so
I'm so confused.
somehow
Spencer
Spencer was on the phone. Yes.
He had nothing
Right.
to do with
But somehow
anything.
Spencer was on the phone, yes. Somehow Spencer was on the phone, yes.
Yes, when I woke up, that's all I saw. He had Spencer on the phone.
And you guys laying in bed and he called Spencer from your phone or whatever. Was it your phone or his phone?
It was my phone. He
Okay.
took my phone while I was sleeping. It was unlocked.
And then the argument began while you were in bed,
Yes.
right? And then I presume he wasn't on the phone long with Spencer?
No.
And then what happened?
He just flashed it and he was like, oh, this is who you talking to? And I was like, no, I haven't been talking to him. Spencer and I are just friends.
What happened in
So-
between that time? Did he take your phone again? Or did he never give you back your phone after taking it?
Yeah, like I said, when we were laying down, he did show me that Spencer was on the phone. After that, he hung up in about 10 seconds. Then he, when I got up, he walked around and just paced around. Oh, you playing with me? XYZ, just going off. And then I just laid back down. I'm like, okay, I'm not doing this with you right now. He threw the phone back down at me. That's when I gathered everything. I grabbed my purse, grabbed the keys, grabbed some clothes, and I grabbed my phone. Then I went out to my other car, which is the white Nissan parked over there. I'm not sure if the surveillance camera could catch it, but I got in that car. I was about to go. He reached his arm through the window and snatched my phone. And he said, yeah, you're not getting shit back. And he came in here. I followed him here. The neighbor's Ring camera could show you I followed him in here. And he went back out with my phone. He said, you're not getting shit back.
Where's the camera of that? Where's the video of that?
It's across the hall. They have a Ring camera.
You don't have a camera for yourself?
No.
Are they home?
I believe so. I saw the Kia, the red Kia.
What time was
See,
this?
now y'all involving the neighbors. Oh my God, neighbors don't want to be a part of y'all bullshit. If I was a neighbor, I'd be like, man, get the hell away from my door. Get away from my door. I don't want nothing to do with this. I ain't got nothing to do with this.
You got her
Y'all
phone,
ain't
yes or
getting
no?
no.
You take her phone at any point?
No, sir.
You didn't take her phone from the car?
Nope.
Okay, so if I check that camera and they show it and you're lying, you know you're going to jail, right?
Do your thing, big dog.
Do your thing.
Do your thing.
Do your thing. Cause I ain't got it.
But, what about her though? What about my assault?
I'll ask about that.
Right. What about my assault? Y'all worry about some phone. If it was him, he would have been in cuffs. He would have been hauled away and some more shit. Bullshit.
No. Come outside.
Yo, I don't like this dude at all. I can't stand this dude whatsoever. He's a clown. He's a clown. Like police be I swear, police make you want to do something to him because they be thinking they have authority over your domain, over your domicile. You know what I'm saying? Like, I hate. That's why it's like, yo, don't call no police, bro, because it's only gonna make it worse. It's only gonna make it worse. It's never gonna make it better. Never. In the sense, like, if he could have just left, just leave, bro. Just go about your business. Figure out the whole going to the rental office and get your name off the lease and all this other stuff like that. Let's see. We gonna fast forward a little.
Turn that red car, she left.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
One moment.
Listen, them people see you. Them people see you. Them people see you. Best believe them people see you. They just not trying to answer that shit. They see the police at their door. They're like, what the police doing at my door? I don't want no issues. I don't want no problems with none of this. Y'all can have this.
Yo. How'd he get the mark on his face?
I did hit him in the face.
How? Why?
Because he ripped my lashes out. Half of my lashes are
This
gone.
should be going to jail.
So y'all fighting?
Yeah, he basically just grabbed me by the freaking eyelash. And it was just a reflex.
Yo, shut the fuck
I
up.
do.
So y'all both live
But
here?
I have not been here lately.
So y'all both live here?
Yo, I've never heard of somebody grabbing somebody. How long was these eyelashes? These must have been them fucking eyelashes that when she blink, it go like this. There's no way that he grabbed you by the eyelashes and you punched him in the face. He literally grabbed you. He had to grab your eyelashes. What? That was his defense mechanism to grab you. I don't believe this. I'm sorry. I just don't believe it. It sounds far-fetched. It sounds insane. She clearly is admitting that she hit him. Clearly. Two officers, and she still haven't been locked up yet, or got cuffs or anything, or been detained or whatever. She's able to roam around like nothing happened, and she's admitted to it on body cam to 2 cops twice.
We're both on the lease.
Where you been?
I've been at my sister's house.
You
Like
go
I
back
said,
there.
she lives around the corner.
You should go back to your sister's house.
I am.
Right now.
Okay. What about my phone though?
Get
Do
your
I not get my
motherfucking
phone
ass
back?
out of here.
I don't know what's going on with the phone. You gotta tell me 2 different stories.
That
And
is-
I got no way to
So
prove
I
that.
would
And
lie
I got no way to,
about
and
my
I don't got no
phone?
way to prove that he got your phone. So you better just go back to your sister's house.
That is crazy.
Yo, this
All
dude
these
is ignorant. I ain't gonna lie.
phones, man.
He-
I got
none of these
proof
cops is
everything.
good. These are
Nobody
horrible
ever did
cops.
nothing to him,
Where's
but
the
now
proof?
I got down. My phone is fucking gone. I can't do nothing about it.
You don't got no proof. And y'all told me 2 different stories.
What proof? Of course he's gonna lie. It's a whole
Well, you
camera.
need, like I
out there.
said, you need proof.
Can you
The guy's
check
not
the
proof.
camera?
The camera. Yeah, I checked the camera. Nobody's there. I can't check the cameras.
Okay. What about their camera?
No,
next
I
door?
can't. So you need to leave.
That's bullshit. I fucking hate it.
She needs to leave. She just admitted that. She admitted to both of y'all. Yo, these cops need to be fired. There's no way. She's admitted it to both of y'all.
I need to leave. What? I'm tearing this shit up on my way out.
Oh,
That's crazy. You see that shit, bro?
shit is
How you
that?
gonna tear my stuff up?
bro, you just heard her say it, and she did it.
I didn't tear nothing.
I already punched my wife up, bro.
I didn't tear shit up.
Bro, just go.
Him standing and mine too.
Hey, go on. You being petty. Go on, bro.
No, you being petty. That's mine. I gotta go.
Yeah, go.
Me?
Y'all
You really asking for the fan
I
back?
get that. No problem, but I want my phone before I go. I'm not gonna get my phone. I don't care. That's okay. I ain't going nowhere.
Wait a
Want
minute.
my phone. And he has it. You just saw the messages of him confessing he's not gonna get my phone.
I can talk all day. You know what I mean?
Why would I lie on
I
my
can talk. It's a
phone?
free spirit. I can
Why would I
talk.
lie and say you
I
got
can
my
bluff
phone
all
when you don't have
motherfucking day,
mine?
bro.
You snatched it out my
You wanna
hand. I'm not
Go
stupid.
outside.
Alright, bet.
He snatched it out my hand. I'm not stupid.
How is she
See the
not
messages again.
in
Let me
cuffs?
see the messages again.
That is crazy.
How is she
Just
not
said
in
I'm not getting
cuffs?
Shit, fuck me, ho. That's he talking about my phone.
Yo, this is a prime example of
And he disconnected the Wi-Fi,
The
so I can't
bias.
stroll up, so I can't show you anymore. He stole my phone and my money. I said, sure, I don't care. Do what you gotta do. I'll be at the house with the police for my phone. He said, fuck you. Give me my shit, bro. I'm gonna tell my mama everything. He said, so tell your part too. I said, you just put everybody in our business, but I will. I'll tell her my business. Like, I don't care. I'll tell when I fucked up.
Can't do that with that.
He said, look.
thank
Can't do
you,
anything with
thank
that.
you, thank you. There's
do
nothing he could do with
I'm
that.
about to
That's
take
the.
his shit. I'm about to take his shit, bro.
You gotta go to jail.
No, I'm not about to go nowhere.
She should have been in cuffs a long time ago.
Yes, you do. Give me my phone.
Leave.
No, he needs to get my phone. No, bro. I could call my sister right now. And look at him. Look at his fucking lip out. This shit funny? No, I want my phone. I'm not going nowhere. I guess I'll be booked tonight because I'm not going nowhere without my phone.
All right, where you gotta go?
Well, I gotta go. Shit, it's my shit.
This is his house.
You got to go?
It's my house, too.
No, not really.
He do. He has a grandmother that lives right around the corner. He's lying.
My phone's been pulled up right now.
And that's fine. Let him pull up. I don't care. I'm still going to use my phone.
You just get my car.
Go back inside.
You just want me to get my car and go?
I'm still going to want my fucking
Yes.
phone.
Alright, bet.
Go to your grandma's house.
How can he leave with my shit?
That is insane, yo. This is insane. I hate this. I hate this. I really hate this. I hate this, bro. She's clearly the aggressor. She's clearly the antagonizer. She's clearly the one who's sleeping around all that other foolishness. She's sleeping with the police officer that actually showed up to a domestic between the main dude, and I don't even know how to explain
You
it.
arguing today from them? Huh?
Smells good in here.
Yeah, Spencer's already gone, right?
Huh?
Spencer's already gone, right?
Yeah.
Well, the issue with them is that he said he took her phone. She said that he took her phone. We don't got no proof that he took her phone, right? Had cameras over there, but the neighbor's not home.
Yeah.
I was like, y'all both need to, one of y'all need to leave. Well, I can't leave because they both live here, so I can't make them leave.
Right. We can't force them.
So I told him to go to his grandma's house, so he's leaving to do that. But
You did just force him to leave, though. You said you can't force him to leave, but you did just force him to leave. You forced him to leave. You forced him to go downstairs. You have forced him since you've been there. You have not allowed him to do anything in his own home since you've been there. So what the fuck are you?
that's the boy. That's the man.
Oh.
And so
They should be fired, bro. They should be fired, man.
Somebody call my sister, please. She knows he took my phone. He pulled up to her house with my phone and said he's not giving it back. She's called my phone. My mother's called my phone. Everybody's called my phone. I just want my fucking phone. That's it.
what is his number?
678
Where was this at?
856.
Where was it at?
Where was what?
Your sister live at?
She lives in Lakes of Indian Creek, which is literally around the corner.
Okay, what's the rest?
Why you didn't tell her to go to her sister's house?
Yeah. Yeah.
Please record your message. When you have finished recording.
Let me get your ID. Ma'am.
I know what's going on.
I'm so annoyed.
I told him to write me a memo to and from already.
I'm so annoyed. I'm so fucking peeved. I don't even know why he's fucking still here. I'm gonna go back to the PD.
Who, him?
Yeah.
He needs to go. He needs to go. Like, just...
He needs to go.
If he knew this was the
why the fuck
why
he should
respond?
Yeah, right, like...
6-1. I've looked at his X5 location during this call, and it looks
I'm
like he's
so
possibly
fucking
going to be...
But that sergeant mad. He mad he got to deal with this. He like, why is he?
Yes, that's his mother and his brother.
Okay.
No.
You already left. You went to his grandma's house.
Bring you to 531. Did you know you were a 2-man unit? You were bringing it back on the
Big Mama still coming. She'll give it there.
678. Oh, how you doing? 856-0692. You okay, Dad? No, he got my phone and he won't give it back. And they're not making him give it back. Excuse me.
That's 678 what?
Am I watching this right? Did his mother come up there and ask if she was okay?
678.
This is weird.
When skies have fallen down.
856 what? Did he tell you about having her phone?
No, but
But what?
He don't play like he.
Marquise.
Yeah.
Call Pune.
I even called Belle from my sister's phone too when I was at her house, but she was asleep. So I told Zakiri to just let her rest because I know she be tired.
Why none of these people can walk correctly? Why they tiptoeing?
Y'all,
Y'all that out of shape?
Before I even called the police out here, but I told Zakiri to let you sleep because she said you were asleep.
This is bad. Y'all that out of shape?
My phone and my money. He really stole $600.
Let me move myself real quick so y'all can see this.
That's a different day for something else.
He's got wood right here, so they gonna stay here for too much longer. Wood rotting out.
Yo, look at this shit.
Yeah, man, you might as well stay there. Yeah.
Mom, just stay right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so she an older lady too. Okay, I'm just saying. Boy, but y'all out of shape bad. Y'all out of shape bad. The other one, she huffing and puffing just coming up the steps.
Marquise, he calling.
Okay. He's calling her phone?
No, he calling my son.
Okay. He went to your mother's house?
No. Well, he did. That's where my mother lived. He pulled up with my phone and said, I'm not getting shit.
No, but where's he going now? He's going to his mama, his grandmother's house, right?
That's his
grandmother.
So he thinks she's there?
I'm his mom.
You get him, Marquise?
No, he's not.
Has he taken her phone before?
No.
You said no?
Keith?
What was he arrested for last time?
Tell him I said bring it now.
743 San Miguel.
Come on now, moms. Come on, moms. Why you throwing your son under the bus?
Tell him I'm bust the windows out that damn car. He better bring it.
Yo, what is up with these females? What is up with this? Even your own mother threatening to do the harm to your car. Like, what the fuck? Yo, what is going on in this whole process here? Like, what kind of water are they drinking? There's no way. There's no way.
I'm gonna start the report, and I'm gonna.
in the area of 1216 Sheraton Drive.
He do have my phone. Why would I lie? I know he snatched it out my hand. Why would I lie?
Tell him to bring.
Liar. You got the messages right here. They said they can't do nothing with just no fucking messages, which is crazy.
It didn't prove anything in the messages.
Buy a whole nother phone, which I will, but still, he got my shit. Give my
It proved nothing in the message. Him saying F you didn't prove
I don't
nothing.
see anything incriminating in the messages.
I said, give me my shit. You don't gotta keep being childish. You already stole my money, bro. You are so well. I said that say no more.
He said he don't have the phone. She has
But why would I fucking lie? Why would I
Tell Pune
Where
stop
the
playing.
fuck
Don't
would my
stop
phone
playing.
I can't do anything
Where's
with
the
that,
phone?
right? Can't do anything with that. I can't do anything with that, right?
Did you say anything? I mean,
No.
is that his number?
This is his number.
What do you say when
So he cut the Wi-Fi off, so I can't stroll up no more.
Who is the boyfriend?
Oh, mama, this dog, yo, you had me.
You talking about everything but my phone.
She was running like it was a big old dog. How bad my baby roll?
This is bad. Yo, they taking the mother over there. I would if I was homeboy, if I was this dude, man, I'm not even gonna lie to you. If I was this dude, fuck my mother. But if you came to my house, Norm, I'm having a domestic with this chick, and she put her hands on me and she cheating with the officer that came, and you sitting here keying with this woman while she trying to get me locked up? Fuck you.
He took the phone and the keys.
I don't give a damn if it's my mother or not.
And put it well.
We both had a set of keys, right?
Ask him
Stop
what.
fucking playing.
Tell him that the phone well. And what phone?
Put the phone in there. Come on, baby.
But y'all can't
Tell him to stop
He got
playing.
my shit, but nobody can get my shit. That's crazy.
You're missing up the whole day.
Tell him it's your brother's birthday today. You
So
gotta go
what?
out to eat.
So what did you do here? So if you didn't take the phone, where is the phone?
Hey, he's sticking to a story. He ain't playing.
So what I probably do is that if the phone does show up, like mysteriously, look at my number and the phone shows up. I'm gonna take it I ain't about to do all this. That's some horseshit. They were fighting. They were fighting. And she got her eyelash pulled off and she punched him in the lip.
He say when she leaves,
He told me to do some stories.
He used to tell her, please leave his car when she leaves.
He said what?
No. Please leave his car. And then we got to find the phone. He saying,
Why he just can't tell us? Why he keep being childish?
he say he don't have the phone.
So have you?
This is messing up Marquise. This is messing up your birthday, son. Granny, sorry.
Stupid brother.
Thank you.
No problem. Well, I'm about to give her this ID. I'm about to go send it because there ain't really much we can do at this point.
What, I mean,
Yeah, Spencer. That's my. I'm peeved. I'm so pissed. Like I'm absolutely livid.
Is he a sergeant? I wonder if he a sergeant because they didn't show. I didn't see.
He snatched it out my hand, ran up here, and told me I wasn't getting it and left.
Y'all all in this man house.
So like I said before, you gotta tell those two different stories.
Of course.
All right. So and there's no overlap at all besides y'all fighting. That's the only overlap is y'all fighting. Y'all in the bed together. That's the only overlap we got. Right. So we can't arrest him on a speculation that he has the phone.
I'm not saying the rest of it. I just want my
We would have to arrest him. That's what you're not understanding. We would have to
Dummy.
arrest him. So
He need to understand that because I just want my phone. I don't
no, y'all
care
both need to
about
understand
nothing
that because like if
I
y'all
understand that.
whoever starts
I
the fight,
understand that.
whoever the primary aggressor is gonna be arrested.
else. I understand that.
And that's the Georgia law.
I
So
understand that.
but if your phone does show up like out of nowhere, like miraculously, he did have your phone. And so you need to call us and let us know so we can do a supplemental report on that.
If
And you can take care of it.
stop it, bro. Stop
If you don't
it.
call us,
Stop
your phone
it.
shows up and you know we had it, like you're saying he had it now, and you don't call us, well guess what? We can't do nothing for real, for real.
Now it's all speculation.
So at this point, it's up to you about whether you want something done about this whole shit storm that's happening right now.
Yo, there's no way. You're telling me y'all are asking her what she wants to do when she literally admitted to it twice. She admitted to it. She admitted to it. She admitted to putting her hands on this man, to 2 officers, one of which who she's sleeping with.
Because this right here ain't sustainable. Y'all both live here. You say you're not even here. Y'all got some kind of weird situationship shit going on. And like clearly it's toxic.
I know that.
So
I know that.
and now they're here trying to deal with y'all's bullshit.
Deal with his bullshit. He had to do was give me the phone.
Yo, it takes 2 to tango.
I know
You're
it
calling
doesn't.
me,
He
yo.
could have just gave me the phone
So
and got.
after you gonna do it, this is the case number.
I could have left.
This is the case number.
Okay, thank you.
And that's it.
Bye.
I'm sorry, y'all.
No help. Thank you. You should know who it is.
He said he done with this. I don't blame him. But he should have locked her up.
So what happened today?
So today, pretty much earlier. So earlier, it's probably around like noon.
Mm-hmm.
Got a random phone call from Daisha.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
And it was
FaceTime call.
It was her number, right?
Her number.
Okay.
It was never his number.
Okay.
I answered it. I saw his face.
Okay.
So I was like, okay. I mean, I know they be around each other sometimes. I'm like, all right, whatever. So then he proceeds to say, I think it was either, hey, what's up, or yo, what's up. I'm not sure, but it was something, what's up.
Okay.
I said the same thing back to him. He proceeds at that point, turn the camera towards, a different direction. He points it at the different direction. I see that they're in the bed, and I see that they. Are you telling me? Are you telling me?
Not yet, no.
So from there, when he shows, I see that they're laying in bed together. I'm like, okay, cool, whatever, I don't care.
Okay.
At that point, I disconnect the phone call.
Did y'all say anything to each other? Did y'all speak for a little bit?
Outside of, hey, yo, what's up? Like, that was about it. It was really no talking. I was just kind of staring there. I saw that they were there. He was like, I think he said something about, oh yeah, we just had sex and I'll show you a video.
Okay.
I was like,
What?
okay, like, I don't care, like, what to do. It's her prerogative. So, hung up the phone.
Okay.
There, driving around, doing, regular work and whatnot, answering calls. Now I'm on East Ponce heading towards Peachtree Creek because I'm about to do a 790 over there.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm recognizing that there was a Chrysler 300 that I've seen before.
And you said you on what road? North Indian Creek?
No, East Ponce.
East Ponce, okay.
So at that point, I see that there's a hand waving out the window with a phone. It's a purple phone. So I'm like, okay, so I pull over, pull up next to the car. So I recognize it's him. So I'm like, hey, what's up? And he was like, we started talking a little bit.
What time was this?
I'm not sure. Probably like 5.
Start talking and saying what?
5, maybe like 4:40 something. Somewhere between 4:30 and 5. Around that ballpark.
Okay, so you were on East Ponce. Was that when I passed you on the way into work?
Mm.
Okay, and so what intersection was it at?
No, it was at the entrance of my apartment. He was at the entrance of my apartment.
So he was at Sage Point?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I asked him, I said, hey, look, we're blocking the roadway. Do you mind if we pull back into the apartment complex so we're not blocking the road?
What did he say to you?
And he said, no, I don't feel comfortable with doing it. I said, okay, cool. Well, do you mind moving to the next parking lot over if you want to talk? He was like, yeah.
What did he flag you down for? Did he say initially?
Yeah, he was like, he basically just said, yo, come on, man. And that was pretty much it. Like,
So that's all he said?
What?
At the initial. And then once we started talking, then that's when he was talking about the other stuff. And then I was like, look, so get into the next parking lot. And I'm like, all right, look. Clearly, there's some type of miscommunication here.
Well, what did he say leading up to that before you spoke to him? What did he say what the issue was? Because he said he flagged you down as if it was a 911 call, right?
That's the way he did it. He just like waved out the window.
And then what?
And
You stopped?
I stopped, pulled in, and I pulled him next to him.
Okay.
And then that's when I recognized it was him. I was
Okay.
like, hey, what's up? And he was like, yo, come on, man. That's what we doing.
So it wasn't, at that point, it was clear that it wasn't a 911 call. He wasn't flagging you down for an emergency.
No. There was no emergency at all.
Okay.
So we're
That became immediately clear to you that it wasn't an emergency?
At first, I thought it was an emergency. I was
No,
watching on the
right.
radio.
But as soon as you saw him, it was like, come on, you knew it wasn't an emergency, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So at that point, now we're going to the next parking lot. Now we're talking.
Inside Sage Point?
No. And 14th, over there by the laundromat.
Mm-hmm.
So we're talking over there and whatnot because we don't want to, block people or customers and whatnot. He was like, yeah, man, like I'm kind of just done with her, so on and so forth. I'm like, hey, man, look, honestly, the way it kind of looks, like she's saying one thing to you, but it's saying probably something else to me, and it just seems like what she wants is more of a polyatomic relationship. And he was like, what's that? So I explained to him because I had a friend that wanted that.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, they want someone who can be their main piece, but they also want to do stuff with other people. And
Polyamorous.
And so I was like, I said, at that point, I think we need to have a sit-down conversation, all three of us, and actually talk about what is it that she wants.
What? And that's what you said.
And that's what I said.
Mm-hmm.
And then he kept interrupting. He was like, nah, like, I don't really want to talk to her and whatnot, and so on and so forth. And I'm like, I understand. Like, at that point, I'm like, yeah, cool. And he was like, yeah, man, you have a baby or something. And he said some other stuff, and then he said, she took my keys. And I was like, she took your keys. He was like, yeah. I said, why'd she take your keys? And then he just kind of just looked at me. I'm like, but still, like, they asked, like, you can easily just say, oh, well, because we had an argument about you. And then that's when she took the keys.
Did he have a busted lip at this time, too?
At that time, that's when he eventually mentions that he has a busted lip. And then I saw him looking. And then that's when he was like, so I ain't trying to do all this. I'm just going to figure out a way to get in my apartment. Bye. And I was like, okay.
Huh?
Okay, so after you guys had your discussion, he left.
Yeah, and that's why I texted Daisha. And I said, look, be serious. There needs to be a serious sit-down conversation.
And what time did you text her?
$4:49. So it was probably around Because it was right after him. So yeah, 449.
Let me see. Is it personal phone or work phone?
Personal.
Did he even ask him, can he take a picture? He just said, let me see your phone. I guess they're used to it, I guess. I don't know.
Didn't get a response. And you texted her at 5:49? 4:49?
449.
Okay.
And then at that point, I drove back here. If I didn't drive back here, then I might have stopped somewhere else and then drove back here. But pretty much came back here. Dropped off my tickets, talked to Sarge real quick, and then got back in the car because I was going to drive him out around some more. At that point, that's when Johnson was like, oh shit, those people's, having another incident. And I'm like, oh gosh. And next you know, I hear 616 can't be en route. So I'm like,
so people did know that you were sleeping with this girl. Your other co-workers knew you were sleeping with, because he said, your peoples are having another domestic. So either he probably showed up to one of the calls before, and that's how he started talking to her, probably. Because they did mention in the beginning that the boyfriend got locked up before for some shit that when they came to the house.
okay, well, I kind of know what the situation is, so I'm just gonna get his information and I'll call him
Conflict
back
of
if I
interest.
get
You should
back.
never even been there.
I get there, it's kind of calm at first. So that's why I said, hey, 10:25. So I get there, I see that she's there. At first, I thought it was him who called until I saw that it said something about took phone and meet with a silver Hyundai. So I was like, well, no, he drives a Chrysler, so that's not him. That must be her.
So that was. So you came back here, right? What time did you come back here?
I'm not even sure. You ask, it's on. I'm not sure. It was sometime after that.
Okay.
So probably around 5 exactly, possibly. And then I left from there.
And you talked to her in Corolla.
Yeah.
Okay. And then Johnson told you that there was a call pending, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I got dispatched to that call. I didn't request for the call.
Okay. So you got
How were
dispatched to
you
the call.
How were you called?
And then you went out there. And then what happened?
So as I'm looking at the call notes, I'm thinking it's him who's calling. Then once I noticed that it wasn't him who's calling, that's as I'm in the actual apartment complex at this point. And then I see her in the vehicle, of course, that was described. So I'm like, oh, okay, so it's her who called. So then.
And she was inside the car?
Yeah, she was in the car. So behind, she stopped. I got out of the car. I was like, hey, all right, what was going on? What you need, 911 for? She was like, he got my phone, and it was like some other item, and I want my phone back. And I was like, all right, just one sec. And then some lady, I guess their neighbor, walked up and started asking questions. She was like, hey, I'm trying to get out. And I was like, hey, can you, move down so she can get out? So she moves down. Talking to the lady, I'm like, she's like, everything okay? I said, yeah, it's just the same old stuff that you've already called a couple times about. And basically said, but you're good to go, and, we'll get it all straightened out. So then I go back over there. I'm like, all right, look, call 911. Start from the beginning. When do you need 911? She stated again, cell phone, and then some other item. I said, okay, cool. We're gonna, handle the cell phone situation. Do you have any way of communicating with the cell phone that doesn't mean my phone? And she was like, no. So I was like, all right, well, I'll grab my phone in case we need to call your phone. And then I told her at that point, I said, look, he's already notified me of certain things. And then she was like, he's lying.
How did she say he took her phone?
He just said that he just took it. Like, I guess when he had it, when he called me, that's when he took it. So I guess he was already in possession, but she never really stated 100% concrete.
Like when or how she took her phone?
Yeah. Okay. So the whole phone taking situation, I'm just kind of like, this can be easily resolved. Also, I told her about the keys. I told her about saying something about like the keys to the house or something. I said, you can't, prevent him from going in the house, and he can't prevent you from going in the house.
Right.
I said, that's a civil matter. He can, take that up with the courts if he wants to kick you out. As he stated earlier, I'm done with her. I just want her out of my house. I just want her out of my house. I'm like, all right, cool. So I said, I will say all this in front of both of y'all, so there's a clear understanding. So not one person is hearing one thing and the other person hearing something else. I said, hold on real tight. I said, actually, are you able to knock on the door and get him out of the apartment without causing an issue?
I don't remember him saying that.
I ain't gonna be able to do that. I said, all right, but you wait over there, let me get the phone, I will go up there and knock on the door. Go grab my phone, about to walk to the door, he's standing at the top of the stairs, and their little dog or whatever is on the bottom of the stairs. I said, hey man, are you able to come down here and talk? He's like, yeah. I said, all right, look, we got a call for this. Do you have the phone? He said, no, I don't have the phone. I was like, all right. Now we go, I said, well, I have my phone. We'll, we'll figure out the whole phone situation and we'll move on. If there's some other issues that need to be handled. He was like, yeah, I would like to, file a report. And I was like, all right, cool. About what? He was like, my busted lip. I said, all right, cool. So at this point, I'm already having a game plan of, all right, I'm gonna eventually raise whoever and get them to come over. Because they were calm at this point, so I'm like, all right, I can get some more information out of them before I need to go. Then that's when they start arguing about keys and shit. And I'm like, okay, can we stop doing that? Can we act like civilized adults and talk about this? Where are the keys to the apartment? She says, I don't have the keys to the apartment. And I'm like, all right, well, where's the phone? He says, I don't have a phone. I'm like, all right, are we able to go upstairs and look for this phone without there being issues? We went upstairs, looked for the phone. They're arguing back and forth, so on and so forth. I'm like, look, we're not arguing, we're not doing none of this no more. Stop arguing, and I'm trying to handle this. And he kept bringing up stuff like, oh, you're gonna take her side. I'm not taking no one's side. You say you want to report, you have a bruise on your lip. I'm not taking no one's side. I'm just trying to handle what needs to be handled. Y'all preventing.
Shouldn't have been on that call.
So then I think at that point, I didn't observe it, but I heard a loud bang. Then he stated, she hit my, thing. I said, hey, don't do that. I told her that. So at that point, we're back in the back. They're both stating, oh, he bleached my stuff, she bleached my stuff. Okay, so you got bleach clothes, not out. That's the next bit of information. Then they calmed down for a second. Now we're back in the living room talking, trying to figure out the whole phone thing. I think he stepped outside or something. And so I was like, no, he was standing near the door. And then that's when I was like, all right. I told him, I said, do you want a report? I'm verifying this right now, loud as day. Because they kept yelling back and forth, so I'm not sure if the body cam caught that he said he wants a report. He said, yes, I want to file a report.
Okay.
That's when I key up and say, hey, I thought your number was 621. That's my bad, that's my error.
It doesn't matter.
I was like, hey, so-and-so, can you be around? That's what I hear Sarge say that you was en route. He was, all right, cool, you got someone. That's when he told me, all right, cool, you got someone en route, cool. Call your people. So I was like, that's what I did. Got someone en route. Goes outside. She's sitting down there. I told him, I said, hey, look, I'm gonna make sure she don't touch her stuff. Just please don't leave. And then I told her, I said, look, I'm not gonna be able to be sitting inside, and if he's outside, he just dips. He's saying he wants a report, but he's also trying to leave at the same time. And so I told her, I said, look, do not touch nothing in here. Do not break nothing. You sit here. I went outside and I stood there. Waited until he came back, walked upstairs. We're inside. I think you said you were 10-7 or something. So at that point, I was like, yeah, we're upstairs on the back side of the building. You come upstairs, that's when you enter, and that's when you see the rest of that.
All right. All right. And your body cam was on the whole time?
Yep.
All right, cool.
Wow. That was a lot. That was a lot, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I had no idea that was gonna end up like that. Yeah, that cop should definitely be that cop should definitely be fired. Both I don't know, maybe not fired, maybe he should spend it. I don't know. Just the way he should have never been on that call. Let's just say that. He should have never been on that call. The other cop, he was horrible. So I don't get it. This is a horrible case. And I'm so curious to know, did they go back and actually give him his report that he wanted, or did he file a report for real? Who gives a damn about her phone at this point? This is a whole love triangle, and I've never seen anything like this. I'm sure it's probably happened, maybe, but we never seen it on camera. Man, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Hit the notification bell, man. If not, you gon'